Hey guys, welcome back to MathsCube. Today we are attempting the seventh question from the International Advanced Level Pure Mathematics P2. So without further ado, let's get started. The graph or the figure 1 has been given. Solar panels are installed on the roof of a building. The power P produced on a particular day in kilowatt can be modeled by the equation P is equal to 0.95 plus 2 to the power T minus 12 plus 2 to the power 12 minus T minus bracket T minus 12 whole square, where T is the domain and the domain is being given as 8.5 is less than equal to T less than equal to 15.2, where T is the time in hours after midnight. The graph of P against T is shown in figure 1. A table of values of T and P is shown below with the values of P given to four significant figures where appropriate, and the table has been given with T time T hours and power we have to find. Use the given equation to complete the table given the values of P to four significant figures where appropriate. So our A part asks us to plug in the T into this equation here, right here. Wait a second. There you go. This equation we have to plug in the T values. So what I'll do is I'll just plug in the values here. 0.95 plus 2 to the power T, where T is 10. Initially the initial T value is 10 and we have to find the power according to that. There you go. Plus 2 to the power 12 minus T, which is 10, and minus bracket whole square. Initially I'll do that, and then 10 minus 12. So our first value will come as 1.2. And now to find the final value, which is 11.5, we'll plug in again, going backwards this time. Just plug in 11.5. There we go. Same here, 11.5, and last term left here, that's 11.5, and it comes to 2.821 to four significant figures as they had said. So our answer will be 2.821. And moving on to the B part, the amount of energy in kilowatt per hour produced between 10 to 12 am or pm, you can say, can be found by calculating the area of region R, shown shaded in figure 1. The B part asks us to use the trapezium rule with all the values of P in the connected table to find an estimate for the amount of energy produced between 10 and 12. Give your answer to two decimal places. So guys, to solve this question, what we have to remember is the trapezium rule, or if you don't know, or you don't have to memorize it, because the trapezium rule or the formula will be given in the booklet, the formula sheet. So mainly what we have to find is using trapezium rule, the h is important. H is known as the height of the table, or you can say, if I go from if I look at T, which is time in hours, I have the initial value is 10, and when I go from 10 to 10.5, the height comes as, the difference we have to look at, it is 1.5. Again you can see in the graph it is 11, and it moves on so on with 1 upon 5 1 upon 2, sorry, that's half the difference here. And what I'll do is I'll just write the formula for trapezium rule. There you go. What we do is we multiply the height with half, and then we multiply it with the bracket, and a1 is the first values here with the power values, that's 1.2, and ay is the final value, that's why I'm written as ay, or 2.95. And then what we do is we add them with 2 into these values, which is a2 a3, which will be this value within the first and the final values. There you go, simplifying everything. Half into height, which was, our height was half, so half into half will give us the quarter, or 1 upon 4, and then plugging in the values, the initial value which is 1.2 and the final value which is 2.95, and then adding it with, sorry, that was subtraction, adding it with 2 into whatever the values are within the first and the final value. What I'll do is I'll just bring my calculator up, and I'll just start plugging in the values. That's 1 upon 4, or the quarter, into 1.2 plus 2.95. remember the values we have to plug in exactly the same as they have been written, or you can say the 4 second figures. 1.882 plus 2.45 plus 2.821, and then closing in, we'll get 4.614 initially, but they said give your answer to two decimal places, so you can say 4.61 or 4.6, it's up to you. So using trapezium rule, we have been able to find the estimate for the amount of energy produced between these hours, that's 10 to 12, this shaded area, which is the region R, and that is 4.61 kilowatt per hour, and that's our final answer. So 2 and 4, 6 marks have been easily scored. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more videos from this series.